A woman's entire life is a chronicle of her loves. Give a girl the appropriate shoes and she may conquer the world. A beautiful woman is heaven to the eye, hell to the soul, and purgatory to the purse. Don't tell a woman she's gorgeous. Instead, tell her there's no other woman like her and all roads will open to you. Ask a guy for what you want said, and ask a woman for what you want done. Women have learned that, although it may be that crows, it is the hen that lays the eggs, and they cannot depend on men's chivalry to bring them justice. The radical idea that women are human beings first and should be the heroes of your own life is known as feminism. Not the injured party. A man who believes all women are evil is called a pessimist. An optimist is a man who believes that modern art are like women. If you try to understand them, you'll never be able to enjoy them. Women who do not support other women have a specific place in hell. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she gets into hot water. Age is meaningless when it comes to women. The best way to fight a woman is to wear a hat, grab it, and run. The way black women win is encouraging to almost every aspect of society. The oldest violins are used to play tunes, and ladies speak 2 languages, one of which is verbal. Be cautious of what you hear about women at all times. Rumors originate from a woman or a man who is unable to compete with her. A queen does not fear failure, since it is merely a necessary step on the path to greatness. The woman who walks alone is likely to find herself in places no one has ever been before. The fun of sex is when it goes deep inside. Then the restlessness increases up to 4 times the beauty of a woman. Women's instincts are often truer than men's reasoning. A woman must be understood through her eyes, since they serve as the portal to her heart, which is the location of love.